Ito pong New You. Bakit po New You? Sige
Bagong
po,
ikaw.
Bagong
ikaw. It will be transformed you as your new you after the product. Yes.
Pero ano po yung mga ino-offer natin under New You?
Sa ngayon, kasi ang company is pretty new. So we started by offering our market ng hydrolyzed marine collagen drink. So contrary sa ating mga kaalaman, karamihan sa atin, pag narinig nila yung word na collagen. Outright, they would think that it's really something for aesthetic, beauty, pampaputi, pampaganda, pang skin, which is nalilimit ang real benefits ng collagen.
Ano ba, Miss, ang talagang benefits aside dun sa
pampaganda,
pampabata.
Yes,
diba?
ma'am. Actually, totoo naman yun talaga na nagpapamukhang bata.
Yes.
It delays the aging signs, yung mga wrinkles and fine lines nade-delay kasi because of the collagen, nag-hydrate yung skin. So, nagiging elastic siya. And that's why it whitens. But the real benefits of collagen is strengthens the structure of yung body natin. Siya yung nag-strengthen sa mga ligaments na nagko-connect, yung mga tissues na nagko-connect sa mga bones, joints, muscles, and tendons.
So, ibig sabihin po, maganda to sa mga
nag-exercise.
Hindi lang yon, sa mga may mga rayuma.
Actually, ma'am, ganito, based sa study namin, ang body natin naturally produces collagen. Yeah, especially at a very young age. Very high in production of the collagen. But once we hit the age of early 20s, that is the sign that our production of the collagen in our body starts to decrease or diminish. Yan, nagde-decline na siya. So that's a good sign, the good start for us to take collagen. So it improves our flexibility and mobility as we age.
So, hindi nahihirapan maglakad kung
Yes. Kasi na-observe namin to, ma'am, when we were traveling, especially in other Asian countries like Singapore and Japan. At their very, very old age, you can still,
ng
may na-meet kaming taxi driver ng Singapore.
Okay.
He was 90, that was before the pandemic. He was 93 years old and still he could drive. Although hindi naman ganun as bad as the traffic in the Philippines, pero yung long sitting and then you could afford to drive around. Why? Part of their diet is collagen. Ganun din sa Japan, ma'am. Makikita nyo na even in fast food chains, may mga senior citizens na nagtatrabaho in the morning.
Pero, ma'am, ang collagen natin, kasi maraming pinagkukunan ng collagen, di po ba? Pero dito sa collagen natin,
ng
New You, saan po natin kinukuha yung collagen?
Tama yun, ma'am. Maraming sources ang collagen. Ang atin po ay kinuha namin sa marine. Ito po yung nanggagaling sa mga isda, wild cod. Nasa from fish and scales and bones, doon po siya nanggagaling. Why among all the sources, why marine? Because that's the closest to human structure. So pag tinik mo natin yon, I would say that would be the faster when it comes to efficacy, yung benefits sa katawan natin. Mas ma-absorb faster ng katawan. Yes, kasi yun po yung closest sa human structure. Yan po.
Ilang taon niyo po ito pinag-aralan para magawa itong ating mga produkto?
Actually, yan, gusto ko lang i-honor yung daughter ko. She's with me. She's Micaela. She's the one who in charge of the R&D, the research and development. So it took us 1 year din po.
Isang taon?
Yes, 1 year din po ng pag-develop
ng po
R&D.
ito, ano po kinukuha yung marine na raw natin?
Lahat po although it's locally manufactured ang product, all the actives are sourced from abroad. Especially the hydrolyzed marine collagen peptides. We are sourcing it from Japan because Japan is known to producing high quality premium peptides. And ito po kung mapapansin nyo nakalagay hydrolyzed. Ano ba itong hydrolyzed? It's a process, hydrolysis process, where yung peptides or the particles are being broken down into smallest particle pa with the use of water, kaya hydrolysis. Para mas fine, mas easy absorption dun sa ating bloodstream.
So ano po yung pinagkakaiba naman ito dun sa mga existing natin na same lang din, same collagen, di ba?
Ang ino-offer.
I would say that the unique selling process is yung We are 0% sugar. We use stevia as sweetener. Based dun sa mga reviews din na nare-receive namin from our organic clients and markets, masarap ito. Hindi katulad ng iba na lasa raw gamot. Kasi tayo, pag nakita nating food supplement, isipin agad natin, gamot to, lasang gamot.
Siyempre, yung Facebook page po ulit natin, New You. Ano po ba yung medyo mahaba sa Facebook yung name
Yeah. New You Collagen Drink.
Yan.
So,
New You.
ito yung different social media platform like Facebook, we have TikTok,
Sino
we have
pong
IG, we have
nakabantay?
LinkedIn. We have the marketing people
Meron naman.
na ever ready to respond within reasonable time. Someone na magre-respond sa mga inquiries.
FDA approved na po ito,
Oh, yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes,
so,
ma'am.
na-export na po ba natin
It's
yan?
export
Or-
ready. There are ongoing talks already with some export companies kasi recently we've joined the IFEX 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
So we are already accommodating inquiries. So yun, by God's grace, we'll get there.
May mga pwede po ba kayong maipayo para sa mga gusto ring magtagumpay sa negosyo?
Ito palagi ko 'to sinasabi kasi hindi ganon kadali ang pumasok. And anything that we do not know, anything that is something new, talagang wala tayong alam So lahat ito nakakatakot. Pero what kept me or what keeps us going is I personally really pray a lot. So lahat ito ino-offer ko sa Panginoon. And then if I may share why Shiloh, not all of us are familiar with Shiloh. Shiloh is a biblical term actually.
Yes.
It's a place where the prophet who anointed King David ng Israel na inoffer niya back to the Lord kasi the mother of Prophet Samuel was a barren woman. And then she was blessed with a child, says Prophet Samuel nga, through her fervent prayer. So I personally believe that our company is also a product of fervent prayer. It doesn't just come. It's really a result of personal prayers and prayers of my children and our family too. So, yun po yung talaga mag-i-inspire sa atin na although for some may find it corny kasi ngayon, 'di ba? Parang ito nagiging cliche na, but this is really what keeps us going and we need to say it. Ito talaga yung nabibigyan ng strength.
Yes. Ang galing.
Pinoy, ito na